Everyone's been raving about this ANUA Niacinamide 10% plus TXA 4% serum, but is there a right or wrong way to use it? Absolutely. I've tried this serum religiously for a month, and today I'm breaking down the do's and don'ts so you don't waste your time or damage your skin. So, what is this ANUA TXA plus niacinamide dark spot correcting serum? This viral serum combines two powerhouse ingredients. First, 10% niacinamide, which is a multitasking ingredient known for reducing inflammation, minimizing pores, and brightening skin tone. The second powerhouse ingredient in this serum is 4% TXA or tranexamic acid, which is originally used to reduce excessive bleeding in the medical field. But now TXA is a go-to for fading hyperpigmentation and PIE or post-inflammatory erythema. So most brightening products only contain one of these ingredients and rarely at these concentrations. And that's what makes this serum so unique. It also contains vitamin B12, which gives it its pink tint, and it helps soothe redness and irritation. But these benefits come with some precautions. So let's get into how to use it correctly. So here are the do's of using this ANUA TXA niacinamide serum. My first one is do a patch test first. If you don't know how to patch test, it's actually quite simple. You just put a small amount of the product behind your ear or your inner arm. Wait for 24 hours and check for redness, itching, or irritation before using it on your face. With 10% niacinamide and 4% TXA, this serum is potent. So if you have sensitive or reactive skin, test on a small area first. I would also suggest using it on clean, dry skin. So when using this, first you have to cleanse your face, make sure that it's clean, and optional, you can also use a toner. And then after cleansing and toner, make sure that your face is dry. Then use 2 to 3 drops and apply it on your skin, focusing on areas with dark spots or redness. My third do is follow it up with a hydrating moisturizer. This serum itself, I find, isn't moisturizing enough on its own. So you really have to lock everything with a soothing moisturizer, especially if you're prone to dryness or irritation. My next do is wear sunscreen daily. TXA and niacinamide can make your skin more sensitive to the sun, so SPF is a non-negotiable if you want results and to avoid making pigmentation worse. Yes, I would also suggest to use it once a day to start. I found that it's most effective used once daily, and I preferred using it in the morning followed by sunscreen, and then I did a barrier repair routine at night. My next do is be patient with this. You start to see subtle brightening around week 3 with more visible results after a month. You really have to remind yourself that fading hyperpigmentation takes time. So don't just give up after a week. I think consistency is really key. Consistency plus making sure that your skin barrier is still healthy. And here are my list of don'ts when using this ANUA TXA niacinamide serum. Don't mix this with strong actives. I think that you should avoid pairing this serum in the same routine with vitamin C, AHAs, BHAs, or retinol. I think that these combinations can irritate your skin or cause sensitivity flare-ups. So instead, I think that you should alternate them on different days, or you can use this serum in the morning and use your other actives at night. Here's one important thing that I don't see a lot of people talk about this serum. My other don't is don't use it on active acne. I think that this serum works best for fading marks, not treating breakouts. So in fact, if your acne is still active, you won't get the results that you want. So you have to make sure to address that first. And I can't stress this enough, don't skip barrier support. I think using this daily without hydrating or calming products at night can lead to irritation. So my go-to when I was using this was the Skin 1004 Pro Bio Cica line. So those are the products that I was using at night when I was using this in the morning. I find that when I was just using this in doing like my regular night routine and not focusing on my skin barrier at night. How do I explain it? It's not that I have irritation, but like and you feel that your skin is kind of stressed because of all the actives in this serum. So you really have to find the perfect balance when using this serum. And for me, my perfect balance was using this serum in the morning and just really focusing on skin barrier support at night. Another don't, which I actually already talked about a little bit, was don't expect instant results. I see a lot of people on social media posting like 7-day miracle, when in reality, post acne marks like PIE, well, it really depends. Like every skin type is different and every PIE is different because some marks are just very shallow and some pimples are really deep and can really cause traumatic things on your skin. So it might really take a while. PIE can take 3 to 6 months to fully fade, and no serum will make them disappear overnight, even one this strong. So don't be pressured by what you see on social media. For me, I saw results in about 3 weeks, and those were very subtle. And I see more visible results after a month of use. So just be patient with it. Another don't is don't overuse it if you're prone to fungal acne or clogged pores, because this serum contains oils like macadamia seed oil, olive oil, jojoba seed oil, grapeseed oil. So if you are acne prone or have fungal acne, I would suggest using this sparingly or just use it as a spot treatment. Say you have dark spot over here, just put a small amount and just focus it on that spot and not apply it all over your face. And here's my final tips and who this is best for. I think that this is best for those with healed acne looking to fade post acne marks. I also think that this is for people with PIE or melasma and for people with normal to slightly sensitive skin types who can handle actives. And I don't think this is suitable for active breakouts, very sensitive or reactive skin, or people who loves layering multiple actives in one routine. After using this consistently for 30 days, I saw the biggest improvement on areas where my acne had already healed, like my right cheek and my upper lip, and I saw less improvement on my active breakouts like on my left cheek because again the acne wasn't fully gone yet. So that confirmed my belief that this is a fading serum, not a treatment serum. Now, if you've tried this ANUA TXA Niacinamide Serum, drop your experience down below in the comments. What skin type do you have? Did you use it daily or a few times a week? What worked for you? What are other skincare products that you use it with? Let's help each other figure out the best way to use this serum and make skincare less confusing for everyone. And if you find this video helpful, please don't forget to give it a thumbs up, hit the subscribe button. I'm on my journey to 25,000 subscribers, hopefully within 5 months. Let's see, I really need your support, and your support really means a lot to me. So take care of your skin and take care of you. I'll see you on my next one. Bye.